Before replacing the bulbs, turn off the headlights and the ignition. If possible, do not touch the bulbs with your bare hands on the glass body. Although negligible, this can lead to a shorter lifespan for the bulbs. With the Opel Meriva B, you have enough space to be able to exchange the headlight bulbs without further disassembly work. On the left side, the filler neck of the washer system interferes. Pull it out and upwards to get enough space. For a better illustration, I show the replacement of the bulbs in a dismantled state. Take out the socket, white on the back, by turning it. Take the lamp out of the socket by gently pressing and turning. Take out the socket, black on the back, by turning it. The bulb itself is just plugged in and can be pulled out. Use gloves when replacing it to not touch the glass body. Remove the rear cover by turning it. Unplug the connector. Just pull it off. Push the bulb upwards to release it from the lower metal clasps. When reinstalling, pay attention to the nose of the bulb. It should be pointing up. Hook the bulb back in at the top, and then press it back into the clasps at the bottom. With a built-in headlight, this is of course not that easy due to the lack of visibility in space. When installing, it is therefore best to look into the headlight from the outside while installing the bulb at the rear. First, insert the nose at the top, and then press it down into the metal clips. Remove the cover by turning it. Unplug the connector. Press the metal clip down and slide it out of the guide. The bulb has a flattened side. When installing, make sure the bulb fits correctly. Adjusting the headlight range is usually not necessary after replacing a bulb. However, if you want to be on the safe side, you can have it checked in any workshop for a small fee. All installed lamps and important links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck.